thunderstorm warning for western Starr County and Deep South Texas, southern Zapata County and Deep South Texas, until 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:12 a.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging 60 miles per hour winds, 7 miles north of Falcon Dam, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Lapeno, New Falcon, Salinero, Fronton, Walmer Creek. Severe thunderstorms can produce wind speeds strong enough to bring down trees and power lines and damage or destroy mobile homes and outbuildings. Persons outdoors or in vehicles should seek safety inside a sturdy building until the storm passes. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report tornadoes and final clouds, winds of 58 miles per hour or higher, hail the size of pennies or larger, and any wind damage to your National Weather Service in Brownsville by calling 956-504-1432. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday morning.